Hey everyone. Welcome to Cashcraft HQ. Whether you're in Delhi, Seoul, London, or Milan, this video will turn you into an options trading pro in 2025. I'll break down 3 proven strategies for Asia and Europe, share free tools, and reveal how to start with just $100. Let's unlock profits. What is options trading? Options let you bet on price movements without owning the asset. A call option equals buy low, sell high. A put option equals profit from price drops. In Asia, traders love Nifty 50 options. Europeans trade DAX or CAC 40. Low capital, high leverage, perfect for small accounts. Top 3 strategies for Asia and Europe, 2025. 1. Covered calls, safe income. 1. Own stocks like Reliance, India, or Siemens, EU. 1. Sell call options for monthly income. 2. Example, earn 5,000 rupees per month on Tata Motors or 300 euros on Volkswagen. 2. Straddle, volatility play. 1. Bet on big price swings, e.g., RBI rate decisions or EU elections. 2. Buy both call and put options on indices like Nikkei 225 or Euro Stoxx 50. 3. Cash secured puts, buy cheap. 1. Sell puts on stocks you want to own. 1. If prices drop, buy at a discount. 2. Works great for Asian tech, TSMC, or EU energy stocks, Shell. Best platforms for beginners Asia. 1. Zerodha, India, low fees, great for Nifty, Bank Nifty. 2. Upstocks, free options tutorials in Hindi, Tamil. Europe. 1. eToro, copy top EU options traders. 2. DEGIRO, cheap CAC, DAX options. Tools. 1. TradingView, track RSI, IV for entries. 2. Black-Scholes calculator. Price options like a pro. Avoid these deadly mistakes. 1. Overtrading. Stick to 1-2 trades per week. 2. Ignoring volatility. Check India VIX or EU VSTOXX. 3. No stop loss. Use GTT orders, Zerodha, or guaranteed stop, eToro. Pro tip. Never risk greater than 2% of your capital. Ready to dominate options in 2025? Smash like, subscribe, and comment. Let's make 2025 your most profitable year yet.